going to talk about is alternating bass notes. Something very simple that's often overlooked. You've heard this technique used in Johnny Cash songs, early Elvis. Lay Down Sally is a good example on a basic level anyway, and many others. So what we're getting into are, let's just take three chords, A7, D7, and E7. And what we're going to do is get this effect, which is also known as like the cowboy chord thing. The way it works is as follows, theoretically anyway. So the first bass note that you're going to hit is the root note of the chord. So if I'm on A7, that's the chord. The root name is A, so I'm going to go to an open A. And then I'll strum the remaining strings downward from there. Okay, the next note I'm going to hit is going to be the fifth degree of the scale in relation to that tonic note, okay? So it's the root and fifth. So if A is the root, A, B, C, D, E is the fifth. So that's my 5. And what I'm going to do is find it at its lowest point. So what you're going to notice is, well, there's an E right here on the 4th string. And that's okay, but it's just not as deep as you might like. So what we're going to do is go to the open E on the 6th string. It just sounds better. So you'll hear this, A strum, E strum, and you're just going to pick up the chord and the strum from wherever you leave off, so you don't have to overthink that. So alternating the bass notes. So you can count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's A7. D7, we're going to take that same approach. The root note of D7 is the D, so open D, that's an easy one. Strum. And then the fifth of that, if I count up from D, is going to be A. So I'm going to find A at its lowest point, which is this open string. That makes it nice and accessible. So we have D strum, A strum. And that's also counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I'm going to grab an E7. Same thing. However, this appears a little differently, but the theory is the same. So the E is the root note, open 6th string, E, strum the remaining strings. Then the fifth of that is B, and the only B I have available is the 5th string B. Of course, you have the open B here, but that's definitely out of the style, isn't it? So we're going to grab this low B, again, grabbing it at its lowest point. So I have open 6th string, strum, 5th string, strum. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you listen to, let's say, a song like Lay Down Sally, like the core part of it, aside from all the fancy boogie woogie bits and all that stuff, it's just going to be one layer of guitar potentially doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. In fact, this would be the chorus of Lay Down Sally. So 2 measures of each chord. A7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E7, A7. And then that would start all over. Lay down, Sally, rescuing my own. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? So that kind of thing. Okay? You'll hear that again in the previously mentioned things in the beginning of the video, like Elvis stuff. That's All Right Mama, Johnny Cash, you know, just faster in a different feel. That kind of thing. Okay, so more to be discussed. Look out for the video. We'll be doing maybe Lay Down Sally just to incorporate that. So this topic is alternating bass notes, and you have 3 chords. So you can get over blues and just have some fun with that.